Icon of the Seas has so many exciting and new entertainment options available to you, and Icon is really known to be, well, iconic. With so many new activities and entertainment options, you might be asking yourself, how can I get all of this done in 7 days? Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany with TP's Travels, and I was recently on the Icon of the Seas, the world's largest cruise ship, and I was overwhelmed and taken back by how beautiful the ship is and how much they have to offer here on this cruise ship. So I'm going to break it down and share with you different activities that you can do around the cruise ship. If laying by the pool is one of your favorite activities that you enjoy, Icon of the Seas has 7 different pools available to you around the cruise ship, with the new Swim and Tonic bar, a nice new swim up bar that is so relaxing and enjoyable. You can sit, have a drink, and overlook Central Park. It's a really nice little swimming area with lounging chairs around it, but you definitely don't want to miss Royal Bay, the world's largest pool at sea. Now, if you're enjoying the water and you need a little bit more thrill, then check out Thrill Island. Icon of the Seas has the world's largest water park at sea, with 6 record-breaking slides, the frightening bolt, and the pressure drop. If that is your idea of fun and entertainment, definitely try that out. I couldn't bring myself to doing that. I had to do one of the small slides, and even the smaller slide is a lot of fun and enjoyable. But just so much to do over here in Thrill Island. It's bigger and better. Now, other amenities that you can still catch here on the Icon of the Seas are the flow rider, mini golf, rock climbing, several ping pong tables, laser tag, the sports court, and even the new Crown's Edge. Now, for families, or if you're like us and you just enjoy a fun atmosphere, head over to the new neighborhood, Surfside. There are so many different things to do over here at Surfside. You'll find the nice big water area that is fun for not only kids, but parents as well. They also have Pier 7 that is new as well for parents to have a drink and sit and relax while their kids are over here playing in the water park. Also, some of my favorite things at Surfside that I kept coming back for were the new Surfside Bites and Surfside Eatery. So much delicious food, but you definitely have to check out my next video on complimentary food around Icon of the Seas. If relaxing is more your vibe and something you enjoy doing on a cruise ship, but you don't want to lay by the pool, then check out the new Overlook located in the Aquadome. Over here in the Overlook, you'll have so many different areas that you can sit. You can sit in little pods, overlooking the ocean. There is even the Overlook bar. Lots to do over here as far as just sitting and relaxing, and such a serene environment. Now, the Overlook is taking over the solarium, so there is not a solarium here on the Icon of the Seas, but definitely a great choice. I enjoyed sitting over here and having a drink and just relaxing here at the Overlook. Now, if relaxing at a bar is something that you enjoy, then you will have your choice of bars to relax at around the ship. There are 19 different bars here on the Icon of the Seas, with 10 of those being brand new to the Icon, such as the 1400 bar, Bubbles, Dueling Pianos, Hideaway Bar, Ryan Beans, Swim and Tonic, the Lemon Post, and the Overlook, which is the Overlook Bar. Now, a couple of signature drinks that I recommend over at the 1400 lobby bar is the 1400 drink. This is a really popular drink, and I really enjoyed it. It's the smoke in your face after they do the bubble. Now, they do the bubble right there in front of you instead of over at the bar. So definitely be careful when you're picking that drink up because it will spill. But that is a really delicious drink as well. And the next drink that I recommend is the cable car. Also over here at the 1400 lobby bar. There are some really great drinks, but these were some of the most popular signature drinks that I saw, and I definitely wanted to try them both. Of course, if you watch any of my vlogs, you know that one of our favorite entertainment places is the Casino Royale. Now, this is a great place to come to on embarkation day, but it is really packed on embarkation day and sea day. So maybe come in the evening, but there's lots of slot machines, lots of table play, and even a bar situated in the center of the casino, with slot play available at the bar as well. Now, just outside of the casino, you'll find the music hall. This 2-story music hall has a bar, and you can grab you a drink, listen to the cover band. They have several different cover bands playing here in the music hall. They'll also have adult game show night and even trivia held here in the music hall. Now, if a burger and beer is what you are looking for, come over here to Playmakers. They have arcade games, even air hockey and pool as well. Now, here right now, they are actually shooting a commercial for Royal Caribbean. These are actors playing pool, so that was pretty cool to watch this as they were doing it. Now, don't forget to head over to Lime and Coconut. Here on Icon of the Seas, they have 4 available locations for the lime and coconut. They have it on deck 15, 16, and 17. I highly recommend checking out the lime and coconut drink. It comes in a little bucket. Those are really delicious, but they also offer different kind of slushies as well. Now, don't forget to check out the Royal Promenade's Ships Ahoy show that they will have here on the Royal Promenade. Well, all kinds of sailors will come out here on the Promenade to present their show of skills and battles of the wits. Now, the next thing that you cannot miss here on the Icon of the Seas are the shows. Here is a list of some of the shows that you can expect to catch here in the Aquadome, Royal Theater, and the Aquazone. While we were on the ship, we were able to catch the Wizard of Oz, Starburst, and Aqua Action. Starburst was a fun ice dancing show. It was really entertaining. Here are some clips from the Starburst show. And the Wizard of Oz, I absolutely enjoyed the Wizard of Oz. Here is what I thought of the Wizard of Oz.
Overall, I do like watching plays, and if you like watching plays, it is pretty good. I did say that the choreography throughout it was actually pretty good.
And the Aquadome, absolutely amazing. I love the new feature they have here with the waterfall coming down. The Aquadome, we did get a little bit of sprinkles on us sitting closer to the front in the splash zone, but this was a really great show. I felt like it was kind of like the Blue Man Group at one point, but a lot of fun and a lot of like acrobatics. I wasn't expecting some of the things that I saw here, but I really enjoyed the Aqua Action. Definitely go over to the Aquadome if you get a chance to and see Aqua Action. Now, tip, if you're wanting to see any of these shows, make sure that you are reserving them before your cruise, because it kind of helps to make sure that you are able to get in on the times that you want. If you forget to reserve them ahead of time, then they possibly could be booked up for the times that are convenient to you and you are wanting to go. If you don't have a reservation, you can't always go on standby. But just know that if you're on standby, you don't always get a chance to go into the show. And if you do, you may not get a great seat. And another thing that we absolutely enjoyed, and we have to do it on any cruise that we're on, and that's the comedy show. Here on the Icon of the Seas, they hold their comedy over in the attic. And if you don't get a chance to see it throughout the week in the attic, then you can see it on your last day in the Royal Theater. And that's where we saw it, the last day in the Royal Theater. Is it enough time to do all of these activities, see everything there is to see here on the Icon of the Seas in only 7 days? I wasn't able to do everything on a 7-day cruise. And maybe if you are trying to do everything and instead of cramming everything in, maybe look at doing a back-to-back cruise. Now, if food is more your thing and you enjoy just tasting some of the great foods around the ship like I do, I got so overwhelmed by all the great delicious foods on this ship, then you're definitely going to want to check out this video available tomorrow, the complimentary food here on the Icon of the Seas. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.